Right, let's move right along. There we go. And this is something I wanted to share with you. Now, I'm actually going to do a little bit of a demo on this thing. It is called OnLive Desktop. Now, it's been all over the news. It's all over the tech world. Here's the deal. The iPad here, a lot of people want to use these as a laptop replacement. Now, the problem is that a number of these people are salespeople and they live and die with what's called PowerPoint. You've probably all heard of PowerPoint, death to PowerPoint, whatever. But as of today, there are some workarounds. There is a app called Slide Deck for the iPad. It works so well. There's really not a native PowerPoint client. As of today, there is no Office for the Microsoft Office for the iPad. What to do? Well, OnLive is the company behind this product. I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to fire this up. By the way, there are 2 level of services to OnLive Desktop. Essentially what you do is go to the App Store and you'll download the OnLive app for your iPad. You'll make sure that you have an account with OnLive, which is free. You register your email address and a password. And once you get that going, and I'll bring this up here so you can see. Right there it is. There's the bring up this thing. Now it takes a few minutes for it to launch. And we'll sign in. We're signing into OnLive right now. And let's change the shot here and get that out of there. There we go. There we go. And you now have a Windows desktop. Now, bear in mind, I'm trying to do this backwards. And it comes with Office apps such as Microsoft Word. Hopefully I didn't bring that up here. You can see it's actually loading Word 2010 right there. But I wanted to show you just for demo purposes, I'll close that out, a PowerPoint presentation. So I'm going to launch that. And let's see, I'll have to do a file. There we go. Open. There we go. Yep. Got to get used to the way this works. All right, let me cancel out of that. File. You just gotta get it just so. Okay. Oh. All right. Let me close out of this. Cancel. Okay, we'll do it another way. You have a folder in here, your sync files. We'll just do it this way. I'm kind of clumsy with this, trying to do it backwards and so forth. And let's go to documents, which I saved the document. There we go. Now it should pull up. There we go. So, and we are going to run the slideshow. There we go. I'm having a little bit of difficulty here. Of course, I'm doing a demo. Oh, there we go. And we'll do this slideshow. Again, a security alert. But here you see I'm actually running a PowerPoint presentation right on here. Now here's the amazing thing. I didn't pay anything for this at any point in time. Okay? I didn't pay anything for this at any point in time. So and here's how it works. Basically you have a site, files.onlive.com. You log in. You can upload to the cloud a Word document, spreadsheet, presentation from there. Then once you get into here, into the virtual desktop, those files become available. You can play them. You can edit them. What you can't do is you can't print them. I haven't seen a way to actually print them. But you can see I'm actually running the demo, and then you could actually get a device to adapt this to let you hook it up to a large television, what have you, projector, and use it that way. So bring it a little bit closer, and then we'll end the presentation, and we'll just end show. There you go. We'll close out here. There we go. And close again. And this is got a multi-touch thing on it. By the way, this is a full Windows desktop right there. It says Word, Excel, PowerPoint. The free version, I'll tell you right now, does not let you browse the web. Doesn't let you do that. That's with the paid version. Because one of the issues is you can't get Flash on the iPad, but through the virtual desktop here of OnLive Desktop, you can. So you can watch Flash videos on this thing, and you're bypassing that. The way it kind of works is basically all the hard work is being done on a server back at OnLive, and they're pushing it. Now, this is the free version. And for some people, this may be all you need, is just the free version of the software. There is a paid plan, and that's $5 a month. And with the paid plan, then you get the Flash, then you can do general web browsing, and so on. And now they're talking about another plan that would allow you to install some of your own applications, potentially Outlook and other things like that on there. So it's very, very nifty. So yeah, with the paid plan, you get the full-blown Flash on there pre-installed, and you also get full-blown Acrobat. This comes with Acrobat Reader, the free version. So get that. They also are working on a client for Mac and Windows as well. And that got me to thinking, what will happen then to some virtualization software? How many people out there in the Mac community buy a product like Parallels or Fusion to run a virtual machine so they can use Excel or they can use Outlook or what have you? And so they've got to buy the software, the Parallels. They have to buy a license of Windows, and then they got to buy Office. That's pretty doggone expensive. Plus, there's the installation, configuration, making sure everything's all patched, or you could pay $5 a month for this. I think that's a very compelling thing to offer. Could this be the end of virtual desktops on Macs in particular? Or for that matter, even even possibly the sale of Office for a laptop or whatever. I mean, think about all the possibilities of using this kind of technology rather than virtual machines or having to go out and buy licenses of Office and so forth. Now, they said you can install other applications, or they're working on that. So apparently, if you want to use QuickBooks, you'll still have to, I'm sure, buy the app, but it's still a great way of doing things. I like it. But as it stands right now with the free version, that may be all you need. If you just need to do a presentation, or if you need to edit a spreadsheet or a document, spend no money whatsoever. If you want more of a true virtual desktop, spend the $5 a month, get the and use Internet Explorer, and you can use Dropbox as well. Not with the free version, but once you get the $5 a month account, then you can use Dropbox. They have 2 gigabytes of cloud storage for your documents with the free version. I'm not sure on the paid version what that is. Let me take a look here. We'll take a look at service plans. Yeah, here we go. OnLive Desktop Plus $4.99, which is available right now. You get what, and the other thing is you get what's called priority access. What does that mean? They have, when their $5 a month customers gets a special gigabit connection on the network to pull this stuff up, so everything runs much, much faster than, but it's still quite usable, the free version. Then they're talking about what's called the OnLive Desktop Pro, which is 50 gigabytes of secure cloud storage, and you can customize it with additional PC applications. And then there's finally a enterprise version, which is going to be available for custom integration by VARs and consultants. There is a business opportunity, because you know we're a business technology show, and I get a lot of computer IT people that watch this thing. There's a potential business opportunity right there. Plus things like OnLive collaborative services such as live desktop spectating and desktop sharing via voice chat, and available on OnLive Desktop Pro and OnLive Enterprise editions. So $10 a month for the Pro version, which has not been released yet. Right now you can only get the Desktop Plus for $5 a month. For a lot of you, the free version may just do great. Free beer? No, no free beer. They don't give you free beer. That would be good.